So let me use this opportunity to enlighten you on how to install a solar DC/AC ceiling fan. Understand? This is a solar DC/AC ceiling fan. If you see how the whole system is, it will really look confusing, but if you know what you are doing, you're actually doing the right thing. Now, this is what you need to take to note. This is where you see your label here. Where you see your label here, this is AC 230 volts. That is going direct to power source, where your power voltage is coming from. That's where it is going. And this is going to your DC panel, 12 volts DC panel. If you have a DC panel, or you have any form of voltage that has this 12 volts and it's a DC volt, then you can go with this. It must not necessarily be panel. Even if it is a battery, but it possesses 12 volts, you are good. Then this particular terminal goes to the regulator, to the fan regulator. Now this is how it actually operates. The AC goes direct to power, like to lights, understand? It's not to regulator. It doesn't share anything with regulator, direct to power voltage, power source. Then this goes direct from here to the regulator. That is another thing you need to note. And this one goes also to a DC source. Then this can be connected at the same time. It is left for this system to switch which one is actually available at a particular time for it to work with. Then that's what we need to note. It will lead you through the process of installing this DC fan and also a conventional fan point. Here, every electrician knows how to connect. We will not work for this kind of fan. I will lead you through the process on how you can wire this system to make it work for this fan. So stay tuned as I keep you posted. You see this? You need to convert everything here. Understand? You need to convert every wire in here to make sure that it works for this particular fan. So stay tuned as we flow together. Thank you. Okay, I promise to lead you across the process of installing this solar fan. Now, this is what we need to see about the solar fan. The solar fan has different terminals, as I told you. Then, from our connection, this is what we use as the regulator. Understand? This is what we use as the regulator, and this is what we are using as our line. Understand? Our voltage line. This is the lifeline, and this is the already existing neutral. Understand? Already existing neutral. You know, neutral is always common, so that one goes round. This is our line. Understand? From voltage source. So this is it. So in installing DC solar fan, you must need this, which is voltage line, and you must need the switch. If you still have a 12 volt DC source, it will still come from here to the fan. When we are done with the installation, I will lead you through and you see how it's actually operating. All right, stay tuned. Bye for now. Same corner. Say, I have to dance in the selective. That one. Life. Okay. When installing, do well to identify your wire color coding. So you will mistakenly connect the lifeline to the neutral and the neutral to the life. Do well to identify your colors. Like this one now, I'm using a double black cable, but I have to identify my wire by adding up a sellotape, a black tape on it. So that's how I'll be able to identify my cable. So do well to identify yours also if you are using a same color cable. If you're actually using a different color cable, then that is perfect. That is very, very much perfect. So let's keep going. Come on out, listen. This line, or line with this line right there. Then the cable go wait, the cable go flow now. No go from up tapping connection. No alarm means see itself. That rubber. That rubber. Come for this side. With the line, align with the line. Yeah. No. Turn up. Turn up now. You don't see the hair. Now I'm going to go water. That round one, that ring version, so yes. No. Tundu. Macam kini sedang, tiba. No, random yang. Kaya siya span nak Yung kau bang udah. Ikan lagi. Ada apa? Push the lock. Udah relating pin. Apa? Baik dah.
Dah boleh kita gimana berarti. Bersih wanti.
Then the other one. The other one cup. Siya yun.
Bisa.
Yung ako go-blend.
Lu kamat.
Có như vậy thì em buồn. Mới tay kia. Đấy. Ada cái mà cho cái này là của. Oke, aku senang ke saya punya. Ada esensi. Apa nanti pada kita telepon kalau para ver un poquito. Yo con una Ibe. Bukan ini yang gak. Ini yang gak. Anya mama amin tong continue to na yo bandai mo le ba mo so na mo sang na san. Amin tong ke bono mo bi mi. Ngoma, na ke mo taper. Tong ke bono mo. So. Yes bono mo tong na mo. Inu na market. Ite ro pe, ite ro di adis semi simi. For what? Agora ni, sei bega na ro continue. Aku semua sini ko fa. Ayi ro ko se. Yes, because mo tang no ni tang ko no dugo. Before anya alarm through. Which means I'm going to be able to take any like holiday or something. This is the regulator. One to this, one to that. Irrespective of anyone, you can go with. That one is good. So you mount the wall plate to the wall, connect this to this, then you cover it up. So the fan has a remote. You press it. This is going off. It's retarding to go off. Then this is the second one. So it's still on a high speed. You can as well. See that? Okay, run okay. You can choose to select the numbers you want.